boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. It's Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Today, we're going to talk about uranium and a capitulation reversal. You say, well, capitulation reversal, Mickey D. You think we're going back up now? Well, in order to have a capitulation reversal, you need a capitulation bottom, right? Am I saying we're at the bottom of the uranium pullback? No, but we'll take a look at it here, and we'll take a look at some charts, and we'll see exactly where we stand. Is this a buying opportunity? Maybe a buying opportunity for you. Prices are getting low and lower and lower. We'll talk about it here in a second. As you know, the Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Was that a beat down, ladies and gentlemen, in the market today or what? I mean, wow. It's like, we had some of our baby knockouts were down double digits in uranium, The general market was down, the NASDAQ down, S&P 500 down, It was a rough beginning this first day of August 2024. It was a tough day out there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't believe just the volatility's there. The Fed has spoken and gave a hint that maybe in September they may lower interest rates. Whether they do or they don't, it can spook the market one way or the other. Who knows? They have their own mind, and Chairman Powell and his group, they do what they want to do. So we'll see. They say, it's just the data they're looking at, and that's it. No election or anything. They don't care anything about that. But we shall see, ladies and gentlemen. But our uranium stocks were hit pretty hard. We'll take a look at some charts here in a second. Programming note. This weekend, a lot of you have been asking me about lithium. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little special on lithium here this weekend, and I'll go over some of the stocks that may be in play. As you know, lithium is on its back right now. It's hated. It's been beat up, beat down. Some of these stocks are 70, 80% on their back. They're down, really down, really low. Is that the time to start cherry picking some of these? You know how we get down. We get before the herd. That's why you guys are asking me. I know a lot of you are chiming in, saying, Mickey D, do a lithium is right there. You've got Patriot right now at $3 and some change, $4 or so. It was 16 Canadian here, but of course in the book it was 45 cents. But we did videos when it was lower than that. So some of those stocks are right now, the lithium area right now, ladies and gentlemen, in about a year or so, you'll wish you did pay pennies for some of these stocks, ladies and gentlemen, because there's a lot of good projects out there, a lot of good deposits out there. But that's lithium, and we'll talk about that in the future, like on Saturday or so, this weekend. But I did want to just assure you that the uranium squeeze-up is alive and well, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people wouldn't come out here on a day when we got beat down like this. But I'm just telling you, I've been through this. This is my third uranium bull market. The ups and downs of this, the volatility of this will drive you crazy if you let it. But no, not us. We're calm and cool. Like I said, what goes on over in Kazatomprom has no bearing on us until we sell. But we're not selling anything anytime soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, hang tight. Hold on to your wigs and toupees. This thing is about pennies and patience. We were in at pennies, still up triple digits on a lot of our uranium stocks. No harm, no foul. This is just a pullback, and we did have a lot of volume though there, Mickey D. We did close at our bottoms today. Yeah, we did. it doesn't look good. I mean, guys are hiding under the desk. It's not looking that good. But we'll see. Let's take a look here. Let's be more scientific. Let's just take a look at some of the charts and see where we stand. Ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor and subscribe, help the algorithm there. We surely would love it. Let me share this tab here. The uranium price right now, we're looking at a spot price. 85.50 is the ask. $85.50 a pound is the ask right now. That's not a bad price, not for the sell-off we had today due to all this other noise here and there. But let's take a look here. Let's take a look here at some of the individual stocks. Let's start with UEC. Let's start with Marinati there with uranium energy. Uh, it looks like uranium energy took a nice big red candle here today, ladies and gentlemen. Down 10%. Big hit. Was it a capitulation bottom, or is it just a regular run of the mill, just pull back to 52? Are we going to pull back most of these to our 52-week lows, and then we're going to head on back up? It's hard to say right now, but short term, if you look at the red, which is the 48-day moving average here, you look at the black here, it's a 13-day. When you lose your 13-day, you lose your 48-day, and you've lost your 200-day, life is not peaches and cream here. But if you look at a longer term chart, ladies and gentlemen, we still haven't done any technical damage there. The 200-day is still intact if you look at it over the last couple of years. So it's a small time pullback, and we're going to be headed back up in the next a few weeks or so, ladies and gentlemen. Next few weeks or so, I'd say we'll be headed right on back up there in the next few weeks or so. We'll see. Only time will tell. Let's take a look at baby knockout NextGen energy. NextGen also is, oh boy, it looks pretty rough there. Pretty rough. 12%, almost 12.5% today. It's pretty rough. Closed on its lows. Big red bearish engulfing candles on a lot of these, ladies and gentlemen. It's looking rough. Could that be a capitulation bottom here? Are we going to head up? Only time will tell. But not a good day for NextGen as they announced that their project up in Canada will cost a little bit more money than they thought. I believe it's maybe a few $100 more million than they thought due to inflation or whatever you want to call it. Whatever. It's just going to cost more, and it is what it is. What about baby knockout UR energy right now? Let's get this baby knockout here in play. Let's get it for a little longer. Let's do it for. Oh, it's still looking rough here after UR energy, URG here after. It's down below. Oh boy, we're looking at we're looking at some lows here. But I believe that on a lot of these we may have bottomed out. Only time will tell. Only time will tell, ladies and gentlemen. Down a whopping 10.5% today. It got slaughtered. Baby knockout Denison Mines, ladies and gentlemen. It got smashed also down below the 200-day moving average here, closing on its lows. Let's look at a 2-year chart though and put this thing into perspective here. After a couple years, we're still holding on to the 48-day, well, just below the 48-day. We've broken that. But still, no harm, no foul. We're still above the 200-day. These stocks are going to do well in the long run, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry about any of these baby knockouts. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. I'm just going to be brief here, ladies and gentlemen. You guys take it easy. Just bear through this. I'll leave a video up here for you about the volatility. And oh, I lost you. Hopefully you'll come back here. I'll leave a video for you, and you can take a look at. Lost everything here, except for did I lose my Dennis in there? Uh, you guys can look at this. I think I wrote trade the volatility of 2023. That's the name of that video. You guys check it out here. But you have a wonderful rest of the trading week. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Stay safe, and hey, honor your family, honor God. Take care.